as humans, and we get caught in the same rituals, the same routines on a daily basis. So when a bad thing happens to us, if it's a loss of a job, a death, and we're trying to fight through that, we go back to the same things over and over again, and we get in that same cycle. So it's easy to, just get sucked in and not get better as a person. So another thing I like to do is try something new, right? Because sometimes the answers are right in front of you and we don't see them because we're so caught up in the negativity and the obstacle that we're with, and that we don't look past certain things. So try something new, ask questions, get outside your comfort zone, do something different. Don't do the same thing over and over again. Because when we do the same thing over and over again, that's the definition of insanity, right? We do the same thing over and over again, expecting different results, and the same results happen, right? So we can't thrive in that because we're not changing the situation or the problem, and things will stay the same and we don't get better.